Hey everyone, this is Cindy and welcome back to my channel. First thing I want to say is happy Wednesday to everyone out there. It's a gorgeous sunny day here in Virginia, so thankfully the rain has moved away, at least for the time being. And I wanted to do an updated video on my trades that have been running for a little bit and where I am with those trades, and actually finally had one of them close yesterday in profit. So if you're following my channel and you watched my previous video or any of my other videos, you know that I've been with GOBE Tradehouse for a while. They put out the endless profit strategy, which was basically to remove the stop loss from your trades and just let your trades run until they eventually close out in profit. Big time problems with this is there's really no risk management there. If you're not running a stop loss, you should never trade without a stop loss there. Yeah, you're gonna lose, but you are not going to lose as much as if you let the trade run without a stop loss and you go too far in drawdown and you get margin called by your broker, and then you end up with $5 in your account when it was previously $1,800. So that's one of the things you need to watch out for if you're continuing with GOBE or you're deciding to get into GOBE, is that you're going to have trades that are going to run for a while, and they may not turn around for 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. Who knows how long it could take. My particular trades have been running for 2.5 months at this point. And like I said at the very beginning, I have had one that has finally closed out. So I'm going to go over into my MetaTrader and I'm going to show you where it closed out at. So these are my trades that are currently still running with this demo account that I set up with a balance of $500. These two trades have been running since December the 20th, as I showed in my previous video. And like I said, this is an updated one. And we're still at $54 negative. The CAD Chef one here, it's moving at a rapid pace. So it actually might close today, or it might it might totally turn around and it might take another month to close and it could go into further drawdown. So you'll see that I have a 0.02 lot size, and basically I'm doing that to give my account more of a cushion for when you have these kinds of drawdowns. Now, if you follow the EPS strategy and you follow the initial EPS strategy, which was very, very aggressive, it was to up your lot size 1 point every time you hit $100. So with a $500 account, you should be running a 0.05 lot size. When they redid the strategy to a more moderate one, they were like, okay, well, let's only move your lot size up 1 every $200. But with the $500 account, it's a little hard to do that. But I was like, okay, I'm going to do 0.2, and I ran it with an 0.2 lot size. Well, yesterday, I finally had one of my trades close in profit, and it closed in profit $4. So I waited 2.5 months to get a profit of $4 on an account. Now, if you have, say, a $10,000 account or a $50,000 account, and you run a conservative lot size, yeah, you can let trades run for 2, 3, 4 months on down the road. But when you're a beginner and you're just starting, one of the things you should never do is run a trade without a stop loss. That's something that I have gone on to learn with another platform. Yes, it might get stopped out, but you're not running the risk of your account going so far into drawdown and you not having that money there to cover it that you get margin called by your broker, and you had an account balance of $1,800 and that day your account balance went down to $5 because of all the drawdown, and then you're pretty much sunk. So that's one of the things that you have to think about when you're doing the GOBE endless profit strategy. If you're in GOBE, I am no longer in GOBE. I decided to get out. but I want these trades to continue to run so I can update people on where I'm at and where they're at and how long it takes. But I decided to get out because of some other issues that I also talked about in a previous video. I'm not going to go into that again, but there's just a whole lot there that they don't explain to you, and as a beginner, you don't know. Oh, I'm going to just do what they're telling me to do. They're the professional traders. They know what they're talking about, kind of thing. But as I stated, you should never run a trade without a stop loss. If you want to continue your day trading journey and you want to learn on your own, which is the best way to learn, because then you're not relying on a bot. You're not relying on somebody else calling the signals. You're calling your own shots, and you're learning as you go that you can make the profit. You just start out small. So anyway, if you want to try out the platform that I joined, it's called the Trading Floor. You will find the link in the description. They do not have an affiliate program, so I do not get paid anything for you signing up with them, but they have step-by-step instructions. They give you a roadmap to success. They give you strategies that you literally plug into the strategies and watch them, and you call your own trades, and they show you how to do that. They show you proper risk management. They give you the calculator to use. They show you how to use the calculator. It's just a whole lot of stuff there that they show you, and that I am very grateful that I found and got involved in. And it's not, like I said, it's not a bot. You don't want to always rely on a bot. You don't always want to rely on somebody else calling signals. You want to be able to do it yourself. So if you're interested, click on the link. If you want to hear more about the Trading Floor, reach out to me, and I will tell you my experience so far with them. I love them. I'm following one of the owners. His name is Artie. He has a YouTube channel called The Moving Average, and you can find all of the things there that you need to be profitable as a day trader as well. The Trading Floor does cost. It's about $24 USD, but that's a lot different than $149 or $299 or whatever you might be paying for the platform you're on. You can also check out Pocket Options, which is a broker itself, and you can trade directly on the Pocket Options website. If you want to check them out, my link is in the description below this video. And I also have some other business links down there that teach you proper marketing, where you can set up sales funnels, earn residual income. So check those out. And also, if you have questions about them, just feel free to reach out to me. All of my contact information is in the video below. And I look forward to updating you on these next two trades and when they close and how much profit. And I will see you guys on the next one. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your week, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.